So I'm here again for a problem I'm facing. Let's first make this thing up, and then I'll explain what I was trying to say. It's pretty. I mean, okay. I'm a little bit sick, and things are not going in a correct manner, in the right direction. And see, I have been trying to build a system for me for months. Let me off it. The most important thing I'm focusing right now is building a proper system, a proper workflow. But let's not talk about that right now. I have something else to share about my digital art portfolio. I have split screened my camera and my albums at the same time, and now what I'm gonna do is screen record too, because I don't know, it's gonna मेरा device burst भी हो सकता है, but let's try. See, the problem I'm doing a particular thing that I need to create a portfolio for myself, a digital art portfolio, and I have to complete my revisions in few topics, and also should start a few topics too. And और क्या, and I need to be in front of camera more often. So these three things are quite heavier tasks in by themselves, but what I planned is to that I will revision by myself, practicing all the illustrations digitally, obviously revisioning it first, then creating digital illustrations of them, not anything else. And after creating all of the illustrations, I would come here and talk about it, lecture it, so that my proper revision will be completed, digital art be complete, and me in front of camera, that thing also be accomplished. But for that's a different, the problem I'm facing is creating arts, I mean good arts. I have created line arts a bit, but what I lack is a lot of details, because doors are pretty simple. The topic I'm revisioning is doors and windows, and doors are pretty simple to draw. There are few things like sliding doors, and there are mechanisms to draw too. Like I don't need to, but I really would love to draw the rolling shutter mechanism, how that thing works. These things are important, but other than that, the door is itself a quite simple thing to draw. I'm not using any 2-point perspective or something, just simple linear view of door. And the rendering part itself it's tough. I'm still figuring out how to do it, but I feel I lack details a lot. I show that I will render it somehow. I am now analyzing the artworks of Samji Illustrator and a lot of people. And while talking about it, I just remembered that I have almost finished. अरे यार select नहीं होना था. Cancel. I've almost finished three Qutub Minar liners, and these things went too good because there was a reference of it. उसका proper reference था, and I have just copied it, and the copy was a good copy. The details were awesome, so that's why it's looking too good just in the line art part. But in the doors part, I don't have any solid reference for all which symbolize a particular style. Like I can't find similar differences of flush door and sliding door at the same time. I have to generate that art style that which feels a similarity in between them. Like those graphic design campaigns, right? So here is the problem I'm facing right now. Merging all the things, I have did this before, like those teachers days illustrations, but they were pretty simple to draw, and I was learning back then obviously, but what I've learned I didn't keep anywhere in my documentation, so I don't even know how that phase was. That phase was terrible. Just in front of screen 24/7, so that phase was really terrible, and I think I'm entering that phase again. See, these things I have done, right? So this feels good cause it has a proper integrate details in him itself, so I don't need to add it by myself. But here thing goes, let me show that. Let me show something. See how Samji managed all of this together. Ordered chaos. I love this post. I love this post. There is a lot to talk about, but I think I should write it every time before speaking, because I am literally speaking gibberish. I don't know. 2 years back then, अगर मैं ये वीडियो देखूंगा, I'll be like, what the fuck are you telling right now? Is it, what kind of documentation it is? But फिर भी I am just doing for sake of myself. At least I am doing right now. At least I'm getting out of my comfort zone. So that's great. Not great, but that's okay. I mean, that's okay. मुझे क्या बोलना था, मैं भूल गया.